I have tickets to my brother's concert on Friday night. Would you like to go?
Thanks, I'd love to. What time does it start?
At 8 o'clock.
Do you want to have dinner before? Maybe at 6?
Well, I'd like to, but I have to work late. Let's just meet before the concert, around 7:30.
No problem. We can have dinner another day. Let's meet at your office and go together.
Sounds good. See you on Friday. So, do you like the concert?
Well, the Purple Lips are a little noisy, but I like the arcades a lot. Where is your brother? I don't see him.
He's at home.
What? Why?
He's in bed with the flu. See, here's his text.
Oh, that's too bad.
I know. Would you like to go to his concert next month?